go by the river, the waterway. Hopefully there's no animals over here. Looks like they mowed a little bit. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cindy, and I'm bringing you another video, nature walk. This morning it's really cloudy, and it looks like the sun is trying to peek out. So hopefully I can get you some good sunrise videos. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And come join me on my walks every day in the morning and the afternoon. See how cloudy it is. Checking for ticks on my legs. You never know. Some of these pretty flowers. Taking you on a different route this morning. The clouds, there's pretty big clouds out there, but they're, see, they have like a pink hue to them. The sun might come out today. There's a little bird in there. You see him? See that little bird? He's very talkative today. He's a fat little brown bird. Huh? What are you doing, little brown bird? The sky looks real pretty. See? If just the sun would come out, it would be awesome. But being shy today. I'm glad they mowed this. Not too cold. Ooh, it looks like it's making an appearance. Sun's trying to come out. not quite. It's a little shy. The sky looks real pretty though. It's trying to break up. Clouds are trying to break up. I'm on a different walk today. In there's a dam way up there. The electric company dammed up the place. There was a bunch of kayakers. Oh, there's the sun. There it is. We have action. It's coming out. From the clouds. Bunch of birds. They're a little frisky today. There's the dam. Make sure there's no animals around here. One thing you gotta check is for animals. Whoa, that sun is really... Yes, we got some sunrise videos. Oh, it looks cool through the trees. This is the trail I'm on. There's a big park right here. Hi, everyone. Here's the park. Oh, now there's the sun with the water. This is a pretty quiet park. The sunrise with the water. It's real pretty. This is the Piscataquis River. No, this is the Penobscot River. I keep forgetting which one's which. It's a beautiful sunrise. On the river. It's beautiful. Mosquitoes. Terrible. I hear ducks. Geese. I hear geese. Do you hear them? They squawk like that all day long sometimes. They're talking back and forth, I guess. I don't see them though. I don't want to give up that sunrise. It's so pretty. Someone's house is there. It's all cloudy again. All right, now I'm gonna walk around next to the road and go back down the river road. The sun's pretty bright right here. I'm still on the river road. The sun's coming out pretty bright. I think it's going to be a beautiful day, isn't it? It's gorgeous out. Right now it's 60 degrees this morning. It's Tuesday. And it's like 5:30 in the morning. By now it's like 5:30. But yeah. 1.66 miles. It's really pretty this morning. I love to be outside. Me and my husband did do a corporate job. We worked in a bakery in a little town called Old Town. And it was like an industrial bakery. And we worked there 22 years. We worked overnights, like 10 o'clock at night until 6 in the morning. We've worked 2 in the afternoon to 10 at night. We worked 8 hours. We've worked 10 hours. We've worked 7 days a week, 10-hour shifts. That's a lot. We did that for 22 years. So being outside, it's the best time. So, and this bakery was hot all the time. In the summertime, inside certain spots, it would get like 110 degrees just near the ovens because they had ginormous ovens. And there was a moving conveyor belt inside the oven. So there would be a timer for how long the food would cook. Like we do cakes, cupcakes, muffins, loaf cakes, you know, the little loaves. We do half sheet cakes, round cakes. We did all kinds of stuff. And then we'd frost them, but it was always hot in there. So I'm glad to be out in the woods now. I take that over a hot day, any day of the week. Bye. Some pretty roses. I don't want to go in there because the grass is pretty high in there. See all that? I don't want to get ticks on me. Here's some roses. Sounds like there's a woodpecker in the tree somewhere. All along. This is pretty. These little flowers. All along this busted up fence. The bees must be going to town on these flowers. Pretty flowers. These roses. Let's see. Then we have these pretty flowers here. I love daisies. They're so pretty. And then we have the buttercups. This is where I come and got all my flowers. How pretty they are. There's some pretty yellow flowers. Everybody likes the yellow this season. Check this out. A snapping turtle. Just chilling out in the side of the road. Sometimes they come out from the rivers and lay eggs in the sand. Let's see if I can get a little closer to him without him running off. He's just chilling. It's a snapping turtle. I'm definitely not gonna pick him up because